Laibak asigi Nouna Semba criminal law ahum asina Meepum Khudingmakta Achumba Wayel Phanghannaba Mityeng Thamli haina Manipuri Chief Secretary Dr. Binit Josina Phongdokre wafam asi ngasi Hotel Imphal gi sangai koda Laibak asigi Nouna Semba criminal law ahum gi matangda pangthokpa nongmagi oiba seminar cum training program of master trainers of the three new criminal laws ki thoramda mahna phongdokhibane Manipur Lengaki Law and Legislative Affairs Department Sinduna Pangtokpa Thoramaduda Chief Secretary Dr. Binit Josina hai Laibak asigi Nouna Semba criminal law ahum asi anoba India magi yamna singthaningai oiba law singni anoba criminal law ahum asigi khutangda Government of India na Laibak asigi Meepum Khudingmakta Achumba Wayel Phanghannaba khonari British na semlamba Indian Penal Code IPC haibadi Bharatiya Dan Sanhita da yauriba dan haibadi chairak piba haibadu Achumba Wayel Phanghanba haibadi Nyai haina onthok Bharatiya Nyai Sanhita haina maming olagliba asina Indian Criminal Justice System da achoba awanba mapurakani haibadu tai kanagumba kharana anoba law sing asi maming ta onthokpani haina launabasu yawi adubu law sing asi anoba maming onba khagnatana law sing asi da matamga chunaba anoba kayat kaya ama hapchile masina Achumba Wayel Phanghanbada achoba ngaklo amasu piribane Losing asi miyam da munna khanganbada media ki thodang yamna chawi maragasida English loan ase pak sanna khangnadaba mo ibana yariba makai lamdama sigi fauna loan koiriba maitei loan sizinna ba kona ba mathautai case amagi FIR lokhatba matamda maitei loan sizinna ba yarabra haibasi yenghaninge justice system gi thabak thoram singda ima loan pak sanna sizinna rabadi biyam da Achumba Wayel Phanghanbada achoba ngaklo ama oigani thasi haina mahana makha taki
by our country, removing the archaic laws which were made by the British government. So therefore, in that sense, it's a big change. It's a big change for a new India. And all of us have got to realize this, that through these three laws, which touch everybody across the country, which touch each and every individual, the government of India has tried to give justice to its citizens. Enacting the three new criminal laws will definitely revamp the Indian criminal justice system by replacing colonial era laws, facilitating India to move on a progressive path. Many times I have seen in the last 1 year, it leads to misinterpretation, it leads to people not being able to write what they are feeling on both sides, when it comes to complaining and also when it comes to investigating and putting the report. Is it feasible, is it possible that we start using local language, Meithei loan, while writing this? So the experts present here can discuss this, and if it is found feasible, then what are the things that we should be doing so that we are able to make the law reach into hands of everyone, the justice system becomes suitable for everybody, and nobody thinks that the justice is far away from him.
Thoramaduga Mari Lainana, Manipur Police ki DGP Rajiv Singh Nahai, Kunai Asi, Matam Gimatungina, Ahong Balakpa Moibana, Laibagasi Anoba, Criminal Law Sing Yamna Matautai, Anoba Law Sing na Justice System da, Hena Transparency Amade Accountability Laihan Bangamgane, Law Asida Nouna Habjilagli ba, EFIR Lokat Pagi Kudong Jaba Sina, Matam Ka Hena Changhandana, Case Ama Register Tohan Bayabada Natana, Mui Amagi Personal Liberty Daso, Achobangaklo Amo Ohele. Zero FIR ge provision asisu yamna singthaningai oiba amani zero FIR ge kuthangda hauzik lamdamasida thokliba irang asiga mari lainana punna FIR listing 13,990 lokhatpa ngamki anoba law ahum ase mathang thagi amadagi chanaba haunaba hauzi tongan ba mifam pangthokli anoba law sing ase maipakna chalaiduna miyamda Achumba Wayel Phanghanba wairasanu haina mahna makha taki
introduction of EFIRs, that provision. It will enhance accessibility and allow individuals to lodge complaints from anywhere, thereby reducing barriers and ensuring timely legal remedy. This will also ensure the personal liberty of a person. The denial of bail only on the ground of extended police custody beyond first 15 days is not allowed. In some of the cases, some of the special cases, obviously some thing is there where you can be kept for a longer time. Then this provision of zero FIRs. I would say this because in the present circumstances and the present context of our own state, Manipur, you would not believe that during this crisis of the last 1 year, we had about 11,414 zero FIRs registered in our own state. 11,000. I mean, it is not a joke, actually. So this zero FIR, we have been able to adhere to whatever complaint people had, and we have allowed people to reach to the nearest police stations, even if the action has not happened there. So this has ensured timely redressal of grievances to the people in complaining at least.
Ngasigi thawram aduda Manipur Lengaki Chief Secretary Dr. Binit Joshi, Manipur Police ki DGP Rajib Singh, Manipur Judicial Academy ki Director Suwairaba, Manipur High Court ki Hanagi Judge K.S. Nobin, LMS Law College ki Assistant Professor C.S. Momon, Logi Commissioner Nusitombi Athopam na Mathang Sina Chief Guest of Honor Amadi President Winasar Yaki. Ngasigi seminar aduda LMS Law College ki Assistant Professor C.S. Momon na resource person oiduna anoba criminal law ahum gi maramda maruoina Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Sanhita 2023 ki matangda paper pathoki. Loinana Manipur Judicial Academy ki Director Suwairaba Justice K.S. Nobin na resource person oiduna 3 new criminal laws, its perspective, roles, function and responsibilities of stakeholders haibe hiramasida paper pathoki.